St. Louis has had a very storied history when it comes to desegregation and integration and how we make sure that we educate children together. A lot of people will tell you it can't happen. They don't believe in integration. They don't believe that you can run a school that's balanced and does something for every kid. And here we are in St. Louis at a school where all around me, there's all this diversity. There are all these bright, beautiful young children who are learning together. And they're completely unaware of the fact that maybe somewhere else, kids aren't able to learn together the way that they're able to do here.
Started as a neighborhood school. 3 moms 20 years ago could not find a school that was diverse in a way that St. Louis is diverse. And so they went around looking for all these schools to send their kids to and ended up writing a charter. And that spirit of parents coming together to really alter the course trajectory for their kids is something that is still being lived and breathed.
The whole reason City Garden Montessori opened a charter school was to strive to disrupt the segregation that exists in our city neighborhoods, in our city schools, and leveraging school as an opportunity to bring families together across difference, to build deep community, and to grapple with the big issues that our families, our neighborhoods, our city faces.
It's quite revolutionary. We truly believe that all children deserve a quality education, and Montessori provides that for children in so many ways, not only with the mixed age group, with the hands-on materials, with the small one-on-one lessons that are available for children. It gives the opportunity for children to learn and flourish, not only academically, but socially, emotionally as well. And so it's really about learning about the whole child and what it is that they need to be successful. And this model, one that speaks to the whole child, is exactly what some of these children need.
Montessori schools have a great track record of successful outcomes for kids. Yet less than 10% of Montessori schools in the country are open to the public, and only a handful of those are available for diverse and underserved communities. What's innovative at City Garden is that they are making Montessori education, which is usually seen as something reserved for the privileged, tuition-free and public.
Work for young children is fun. Unlike traditional schools, there are no bells ringing, no disruption, just 3 uninterrupted hours of work time.
The way that we treat children and the curriculum that we support children through and the autonomy that we give children is something that is reimagining education.
What's really unique about the Montessori model is this mixed grade classroom structure that they have here. So I think it allows students to find their place and find their peers.
If a child is the most advanced in math, the sky is the limit. And then you're also creating this ability that if you have a child that they're the oldest in the classroom, but they really need to revisit this, core content, the structure is not set up socially where that's going to be embarrassing for them.
Respect for the child. That is the very first tenet of Maria Montessori's philosophy on education. That's why taking a diverse group of kids and bringing them together in a community of intentional inclusion is so powerful.
I believe some of the magic is this idea of agency that we really want our kids to feel from day one.
Every single parent wants what's best for their child. They want a really loving, safe environment for their children where they will be deeply honored, where they as a family can also engage and be seen.
I think that the agency of a Montessori classroom has really given our daughter the confidence to try new things, to explore more difficult and challenging concepts, to make it okay to fail, okay to get things wrong. And it's also really allowed her to bring her own interests into what she's learning.
This school is healing the hurt in this community. St. Louis will be a better, safer, healthier, more connected community because of what these kids will take away from being here. And As a parent, I am grateful to be a part of this community.
St. Louis has a very unique history when it comes to integration and segregation. To see a school like this really prove that we can successfully educate kids together is an amazing thing.